Aftermath of Hurricane Helene. It's Tuesday, October 1st, 2024. The hurricane was last Friday. We're still cleaning up. These trails probably aren't going to be cleaned up for a while. And I'm just getting started out here, so you see there's a tree blocking the path. Probably going to encounter more obstacles on this trail system. So let's go and check out the other trails and see what the condition of those are. More fallen trees. I guess I'll try and go around. I've reached a cluster of trees falling over the trail, so I don't think I'm going to continue. I'm not going to bushwhack through all that. It's just too much. It's going to need a lot of restoration effort. This was actually part of the trail. A landslide took it out, but I'm going to try and get around it. It doesn't look like it's impassable. All right, I'm turning around at this point. I'm at just over 2 miles. Normally I do over 4, but it's not worth fighting the forest anymore to try and go under, over, or find a way around all these fallen trees.